Steve?
No, but it's going to be very close, so we don't really offer any relief.
Close but no cigar.
Something like that. I've tried to find something good in all this weather, being so hot and everything, besides the fact that the raisin growers like it. And I guess it is that it's basically not going to be any hotter. There's some good news in that. Traffic moving along slowly, or perhaps not slowly anyway. They're moving along on West Avenue here in Fresno tonight. 99 was the temperature and 100 yesterday, so we were only down 1 degree. That is not basically much cooling. The normal temperature on this state is 94, and last year we had 97. All around the 6 counties we had 90s, but a few places crept up into the 100-degree area. 100 in Visalia, 101 in Tulare, and 102 even in Hanford today. Outside now, the temperature is 75, and the dew point is 45, so the relative humidity is down there at a comfortable 35%. Winds out of the northwest at 10. The pressure is moving upward. It's at 29.76 right now. Fire danger tomorrow will be very high. A lot of particulates in the air today. Well, not a lot. Fits into the moderate category, 80 the number. And as I said now, particulates a major source of pollution. Extensive fog and low clouds moving into the coastal valleys nights and mornings still. Most extensive down in the southern part of the state. Los Angeles temperature, usually we give you the city for that. They were having some problems today, so that was missing. But at the coast today, it was 70 degrees down there. Hazy skies in that area, 60s along most of the coast. And Sacramento today only had 92, so a little cooling coming into the north, a little cold front. Part of the reason for that. This cold front is what we call a dry cold front. That is a little cold air moving with it. You'll see a little bit of a change in the wind direction as it came through, but there are no clouds associated with it. That's why it's a dry cold front. And not many clouds to look at anywhere over the west tonight. A few buildups over the Rockies into Utah and into southern Idaho. Here it is at 18,000 feet. The reason that the cold front was able to come this far south was it got a little bit of support from this trough in here. This is the upper air winds we talk about. When it forms a pattern like this, it's basically a trough of low pressure, and that will give some support to the cold front. However, it's too early in the year to get any type of cloudiness or rainfall activity from it. Flash flood watch is on tonight for parts of Texas and even up into southwestern Pennsylvania. It was in Cambria County in Pennsylvania where they had 4 inches within 2 hours today. A tornado near Cheyenne, Wyoming. And on a cooler note, folks, Idaho, in the eastern part of that state, they're forecasting frost tonight. Okay, let's check now the state of California, starting with San Francisco. Don't look for anything too new up here tonight. 53 tonight, 64 degrees tomorrow. Ho-hum down to Los Angeles. Low clouds in the morning, sunny in the afternoon. It's beginning to sound like a song. 65 the low tonight, 85 the high temperature tomorrow afternoon. Some fog again tomorrow at the central coast, and temperatures looking something like that over there. Now in the mountains tomorrow, skies will be clear, and you can see what the temperatures will be like. However, on Friday, we may even have some clouds and some gusty winds up there as this trough starts to dig in a little more. Sunny skies in Fresno tonight, 66, just like last night. 98 degrees tomorrow, so we may get 1 more degree cooling tomorrow, maybe another degree on Friday to 97. Saturday doesn't look too bad at 95, but then we may warm up in the latter part of the weekend. Sunrise, sunset information there, and raisin drying conditions normal. So we're only talking about a degree or two cooling for the next couple of days. That is not, in my book, a cooling trend.
Okay, Steve, piece of maritime history weaving its way into the current landscape.